BMW X5 2024. Overview. It may not be as fun to drive as the Porsche Cayenne, nor is it as effortlessly smooth as the Genesis GV80, but the 2024 BMW X5 blends traits from both of those to create an agreeable, and agreeably luxurious, middle ground. From the outset, it's clear the X5 is going for broad appeal. Why else would BMW offer it with a trio of different powertrains, including a silky smooth inline-6, an authoritative twin-turbo V8, and an environmentally friendly plug-in hybrid? The SUV's cabin is lined with premium materials and, like other BMWs, includes cleverly integrated technology features like a slick-looking curved digital display that stretches nearly the length of the dashboard. This approach results in a luxury SUV so well-rounded that its few shortcomings are easily overlooked, and the X5 remains one of our favorite midsize crossovers. What's new for 2024? BMW has sharpened the X5's exterior for 2024, including a revised front grille and bumper, new headlamps and tail lamps, and updated wheel designs. The top-spec M60i model wears gloss black exterior accents, quad tailpipes, and an M logo in the grille. Both the turbocharged 3.0-litre inline-6 and the twin-turbo 4.4-litre V8 engines benefit from a new 48-volt hybrid system, and the six-cylinder has been massaged further to boost output to 375 horsepower. Despite changing its name from M50i to M60i, the performance-oriented model's horsepower stays the same at 523 ponies. Last year's xDrive 45e plug-in hybrid variant has been replaced with a more powerful xDrive 50e, which offers 94 more horsepower and 10 more miles of electric-only driving range, for 483 horsepower and 40 miles of EV driving. All X5s also receive a new curved infotainment display and BMW's latest iDrive 8 software interface, which is already scheduled for an update to our Drive 8.5 sometime in the summer of 2023. The X5 is also now available with the Highway Assistant hands-free driving feature that we first experienced in the new 7 Series flagship luxury sedan. Pricing and which one to buy. The 2024 BMW X5 starts at $66,195 and goes up to $90,295. The base trim S-Drive 40i level is rear-wheel drive, but the xDrive 40i, xDrive 50e, and xDrive M60i models all have all-wheel drive as standard. We love saving money almost as much as we love great performance, and that's why we think the xDrive 40i is the X5 to buy. It's got sports sedan acceleration, comes with all-wheel drive, and is a relative bargain in this pricey class. We'd recommend adding the premium package for its head-up display, LED exterior lighting, remote engine start capability, and Harman/Kardon stereo system. Engine, transmission, and performance. The 2024 X5 is offered with one of 3 distinct powertrains, each associated with a different model. X5s wearing the S-Drive 40i or xDrive 40i badges are powered by a 375 horsepower turbocharged inline-6. The plug-in hybrid xDrive 50e comes with a turbocharged inline-6 and an electric motor that combine for 483 horsepower. Last but not least, the M60i's 523 horsepower twin-turbo V8 enables it to rush to 60 miles per hour in 3.9 seconds. All 3 powertrains are paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, and none of them will leave drivers wanting for power in virtually any driving situation. The X5's refined ride and stable handling are hallmarks of this generation of BMW SUVs, as is its steering, which feels connected and direct. The Audi Q7 still has the X5 beat in this area, but it's a close match. Pitch the X5 into a fast corner, and it holds on reliably and rewards the driver with a predictability that's missing from the Mercedes-Benz GLE class. Range, charging, and battery life. The The X5 50i model comes standard with a 25.7 kWh battery pack that BMW says is good for up to 40 miles of electric-only driving. The X5 can use the battery to travel up to 84 miles per hour without tapping the gasoline engine. The battery pack can be charged at home on 110-volt or 220-volt outlets or at public charging stations. Fuel economy and real-world MPG. The EPA hasn't released fuel economy estimates for the plug-in hybrid X5 50i yet, but the rear-wheel drive S-Drive 40i and the all-wheel drive X5 40i are both rated for 23 miles per gallon city and 27 miles per gallon highway. The V8-powered M60i model should be good for 17 miles per gallon city and 22 miles per gallon highway. Interior, comfort, and cargo. Interior space is generous for adults in both the first and second rows, but the X5's optional third row is for kids only. Once settled inside, occupants are treated to a cabin lined with high-quality materials, plenty of charging points for devices, and, depending on the options chosen, myriad luxury features. Power-adjustable front seats with memory for the driver are standard. All models come with a power-adjustable steering column, heated front seats, a panoramic sunroof, dual-zone automatic climate control, a power rear liftgate, rain-sensing windshield wipers, and customizable ambient lighting. Massaging seats, remote start, soft close doors, acoustic glass, a leather dashboard, and heated front armrests and steering wheel can make the X5 feel like a high-end luxury SUV but add a lot of dough to the bottom line. Speaking of expensive options, buyers can add a Bowers & Wilkins surround sound audio system that features diamond-domed tweeters. The X5 offers plentiful cargo space, infotainment, and connectivity. Upon entering the X5's cabin, you're met with a curved wall of display screens that span 2/3 of the dashboard. A 12.3-inch screen behind the wheel serves as a gauge display while a larger 14.9-inch touchscreen provides access to BMW's iDrive infotainment interface. The X5 originally launched with iDrive 8, but has since been offered a free over-the-air update to iDrive 8.5, coming sometime in the summer of 2023. Users can also control the system via a center console-mounted rotary knob. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are both standard, as is a wireless smartphone charging pad and a 5G Wi-Fi hotspot. Safety and driver assistance features. BMW offers basic driver assistance features as standard, including automated emergency braking, but more advanced features, such as a hands-free driving mode, are optional. Key safety features include standard automated emergency braking with pedestrian detection, standard lane departure warning, available adaptive cruise control with hands-free driving mode, warranty and maintenance coverage. BMW matches its main rivals Mercedes-Benz and Audi with similar warranty coverage but offers 3 years or 36,000 miles worth of complimentary scheduled maintenance to sweeten the deal.